In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating a new property in Google Analytics version 4. After logging into your Google Analytics account, select Admin, which can be found on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Then select Create Property. Name your property. Make sure to choose the correct time zone and currency before clicking Next. Under Business Information, select your industry category, business size, and how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. In my case, I want to increase my conversions. Click Create. Now, let's set up a data stream to start collecting the data from your website. Choose Web as your platform. Include a website URL and name your stream. As you can see, a new feature of Google Analytics version 4 is Enhanced Measurement. Enhanced Measurement lets you measure interactions with your content by enabling options, events, in the Google Analytics interface. Before turning on the Enhanced Measurement feature, be sure you understand each option and what data will be collected. Click on the link below to learn more about the new Enhanced Measurement feature. For this demo, we will leave Enhanced Measurement turned on by default. To finalize your data stream setup, click Create Stream. Now that you created your web stream, all that's left is to add a code to your site. I'll go over how to add Google Analytics tracking code to your website depending on what platform you use in my next video. Be sure to click the red subscribe button for more Ecom 101 videos. Thanks for watching.